just rose from the ashes. To totally shatter the motorcycle world in 2027, stop whatever you are doing right now, because what you are looking at is not just another custom, garage fantasy, or a wild AI render floating around on your feed. Honda just dropped a bombshell that has the entire industry gasping for air. And trust me, nobody had this level of pure, unadulterated aggression on their 2027 bingo card. My God, yes, the Honda Fury is officially back, and this complete version change is straight up absolute insanity that makes every other cruiser on the road look ancient overnight. You remember the original Fury, that radical factory chopper that turned heads wherever it went. But this 2027 beast is a whole different animal, designed to dominate the streets and break the internet. We are talking about an official concept that is transitioning into reality with so much attitude and mind-blowing presence that it literally redefines what a modern cruiser is supposed to be. Let us be brutally honest for a second, because this machine is an unapologetic Harley killer that is here to take the crown and take zero prisoners. While traditional American 5 twins have been playing it safe with slow, incremental updates, Honda just stepped into the ring with a sledgehammer, delivering a futuristic chopper aesthetic paired with bulletproof Japanese engineering. If you thought the chopper scene was dead or stuck in the early 2, this jaw-dropping 2027 revival is going to hit different and make you question everything you know about two-wheeled culture. From the moment you lay eyes on that ultra-raked front end and that radically low stretched-out frame, your brain almost refuses to process that. This is a factory-built machine you will actually be able to buy at a dealership. The lines are so sharp, the stance is so mean, and the overall vibe is so magnetic that it instantly triggers that goosebump feeling every real rider lives for. This is the exact moment where the cruiser market gets turned completely upside down, and we are right here on the front lines to unpack every single crazy detail of this legendary comeback. To really understand why the 2027 Honda Fury is sending shockwaves through the biker community, you have to look at the massive gap in the market it is stepping right into. For years, riders who wanted that authentic custom, long and low chopper look had to spend tens of thousands of dollars at specialty custom shops or settle for heavy overpriced cruisers that lacked true character. Honda saw that void, took their legendary Fury blueprints back into the secret design labs, and completely tore the script to shreds to build a modern masterpiece from the ground up. This is not just a lazy read badge or a fresh coat of paint with some fancy new graphics slapped on the tank to appease nostalgic fans. We are looking at a complete top-to-bottom architecture revolution, where every bolt frame, rail, and engine component has been reimagined. For the 2027 riding landscape, Honda knew that if they were going to bring back a nameplate as iconic as the Fury, they had to go big, go loud, and make a statement that would echo from Tokyo all the way to Milwaukee. Let us talk about the design language, because the visual impact of this 2027 model is hitting harder than anything we have seen in the last decade. The teardrop fuel tank has been sculpted with aggressive, flowing aerodynamic lines that seamlessly merge into a deeply scooped solo leather seat that drops you right inside the machine. Instead of just sitting on top of it, it gives the rider that unmistakable badass posture, where your arms are stretched forward to the custom-style drag bars, commanding instant respect at every single stoplight. The front end is where the real magic happens, boasting a radical rake angle that stretches the front wheel way out into the future, while maintaining surprisingly razor-sharp geometry. For effortless handling, Honda managed to engineer a massive, exposed front fork setup that looks like it belongs on a $100,000 custom build. Yet it possesses the geometry and structural integrity required for smooth, daily street carving. That front wheel is a massive, multi-spoke alloy showpiece that cuts through the wind and draws every single eyeball within a 5-mile radius. But what really sets this cruiser killer apart from the competition is how Honda blended classic chopper anatomy with ultra-sleek, cutting-edge 2027 aesthetics. The headlight housing is a minimalist, cyber-inspired LED that puts out a blindingly bright beam, while maintaining a slim aerodynamic profile that does not disrupt the bike's sweeping front silhouette. Turn signals are micro-integrated directly into the controls and frame, keeping the overall look impossibly clean, uncluttered and stripped down to pure unadulterated metal. Now let us dive into the beating heart of this monster. Because an aggressive-looking chopper is absolutely nothing without a power plant that can rip the asphalt apart on command. Sitting proudly inside that lengthened, custom-style frame is an all-new, heavily refined liquid-cooled V-twin engine that drips with dark, premium finishes and machined highlights. Honda did not just build this engine to look pretty. They engineered it to deliver an earth-shaking wave of low-end torque that practically tries to pull your arms out of their sockets. The second you crack the throttle, the displacement has been optimized to push serious horsepower, while delivering that iconic deep, rhythmic V-twin rumble that cruiser purists practically worship. When you fire this beast up, the exhaust note does not sound like a quiet, polite commuting bike. It emits a throaty, guttural roar that lets everyone know a heavyweight contender has just entered the neighborhood. Honda utilized advanced internal balancing to ensure that, while you get all the sensory, character and pulse of a massive V-twin, you do not get the bone-rattling, numbing vibrations that plague older, traditional cruisers at highway speeds. Performance on the open road is where the 2027 Fury totally separates itself from the legacy American brands that have dominated the highway scene for so long. When you merge onto the interstate and roll on the throttle, the power delivery is remarkably linear, instantly thrusting this long wheelbase missile forward. With zero hesitation or lag, it eats up highway miles with an effortless gliding sensation, making you feel like you are floating on a high-speed cloud of steel, rubber and pure adrenaline. You might think a bike with this much rake and such a long wheelbase would handle like a freight train when the road gets twisty. But that is where Honda's engineering wizardry truly shines. They have introduced a state-of-the-art rear linkage and a heavily upgraded front suspension system that actively absorbs road imperfections while keeping the tire firmly planted. Through sweeping corners, it dips into turns with a surprising lightness and stability that will leave traditional cruiser riders scratching their heads, trying to figure out how a bike this long can move disgracefully. Stopping power has also stepped into the future, because going fast is only half the equation. When you are piloting a heavyweight street brawler of this caliber, the 2027 Fury comes equipped with massive dual floating front discs, clamped by high-performance radial calipers, backed up by an intelligent cornering-aware anti-lock braking system. This means that even when a car pulls out in front of you, on a slick city street you have track-level stopping, confidence at your right fingertips and right foot, keeping you safe without compromising the minimalist chopper look